This activity is called the collector. Now this game is going to take a little bit of prep work before you play it for the first time. But after the first time you should be good to go. Now I like using the fleece balls when I play this game. Those are the little balls that look like lots of little pieces of yarn coming out. But if you don't have those, that's fine. Get some construction paper. You're going to need several different colors. I recommend about 5 different colors. And you're going to want to make balls of your own. Now in this, you're going to want to make different amounts for each color. And you don't have to be exact with this, so the numbers that I give you, don't think, oh, I need to have exactly this. Make it your own. For example, though, you might want to have 20 red balls, let's say 15 yellow, 12 green, 10 blue, 5 purple. Now, each of those are going to have different amounts attached to them. Because in this game, the kids are going to go in and they're going to collect these different balls. Now, obviously, if you have 20 red ones, they're easier to get. They're worth less points. So red might be worth 1, yellow might be worth 2 points, blue might be worth 3, green worth 4, purple worth 5 points. So you're going to split your group up into 4 teams. If you'd like to do 3 or 2, that's fine too. I'm used to playing this in a gymnasium, so I'd have 4 teams, and I would put them at each corner of the basketball court. Each team would have a basket. It would sit on the floor in their corner. They'd have to stay in a straight line behind it. On the go command, all of the stuff is already spread out in the middle of the floor, all these balls. So go command, first kid in each line runs out. They're going to pick up 1 ball and 1 ball only. Run back to their basket, place it in their basket. They can't throw it, they have to place it. Go to the end of the line, next person in line runs out and they grab 1 ball only. Come back, place it in their basket. Go to the end of the line. This continues until all the balls are gone from the playing area. Then you take time to count them up. This is a good time to reinforce some math, especially with your younger kids in addition. Now your older kids are going to be a great help here because they're going to be able to keep track of the numbers a little better. As an adult running this, I still like to count behind them. So you say at the end of the round, okay guys, go ahead and dump your baskets, count up your points. And as they're counting, you're counting over them as well. Then you keep track of the score. Okay, this team over here, they had 30 points this round, they had 28 points, they had 19 points, they had 42 points. Write it down. Spread them all out again, do it again. Another fun thing to do is have what I used to call a mystery ball. I'd have 1 or 2 balls that maybe you just take a tennis ball or a wiffle ball. And in the middle of the game, out of nowhere, you just throw it in. Now this ball could be good, could be bad. The kids don't know. But if I were you, I'd write down what its value is before the game so they can't say, oh, well, you just don't like this team, that's why you made this bad. You write down what it is, and you throw it in. And for example, 1 round it might be worth plus 50 points. 1 round it might be worth minus 20 points. Another round it might make all of your red balls worth 3 points each. So just be creative with it. And you do about 3 rounds is going to be long enough for this game to start to hit that decline where you're going to want to stop it while it's fun. After that, you total up the scores, you can give the winning team, or don't. It doesn't really matter either way. This sounds like a lot of prep work and a lot to do in this game, but once you get going, the kids love it, and it can take a good 30 to 45 minutes out of your programming time. This game is called The Collector.